Ultra smooth 60Hz refresh rate makes it an absolute delight to use. We get a leather strap which looks classy and even a silicone strap that's perfect for your fitness tracking. You can download offline maps on your watch and track your current location during your workout. Hi there! You guys asked for it and it's here. The Amazfit Active 2 in square. Now just recently we reviewed the Active 2 in round and it was feature packed and everyone seemed to love it, especially the one with the leather strap. This time too we have the same watch in square and trust me, it looks absolutely killer. For those who don't know, the Active 2 comes with a huge AMOLED display, then you get a stainless steel metal build, comes with built-in GPS on board with support for offline maps. There's one-tap health monitoring, reliable workout tracking, and you get all this for just $12,999. Now, I've been using this watch for over a week. Let me share everything in detail so you can decide if the Amazfit Active 2 Square is worth your buck or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the watch right here. This is the premium version of the Active 2, comes in square and leather straps. You can see the image of the watch from the side. On the back here, you can see some of its features. Compatible app, the Zep app is compatible to both iOS as well as Android. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. And there you go, right on the top is the watch itself. We have a user manual, there's a booklet in multiple languages. Then we have a red color silicone strap for those who want to use it for your workouts and your fitness regime, very, very handy. We'll attach it and show you how it looks. And finally, the USB charging puck. So as you can see here, Amazfit branding, you can spot the terminals here. There's no USB-C cable provided in the box, which I think makes sense. You can use your phone's USB-C cable. You have the USB port here, plug it in here, and it'll magnetically attach behind your watch. It's really convenient, gets a really good grip, and won't snap off easily. Alright, let's have a closer look at the build and design. And first, we'll get rid of the screen protector. It says #discoveramazing. Oh, wow. First look and you know it's premium, absolutely amazing. It's got a chrome bezel and this is all metal which looks super premium. In fact, matches with the buckle as well. Very, very well built, premium looking smartwatch from the word go. Also, it's really slim, just 9mm, which is amazing. And without the straps, the watch weighs just 31 grams. Amazing, just amazing. Closer look on the other side and you can spot there are two buttons, one on the top, one at the bottom, and in the center is a microphone. On the other side, it's very clean, but if you look closely, you can also spot the speaker here, which is going to assist you for phone calls. Very well built. Yes, it's chrome, so it will attract slight smudges, but still it looks very nice and sleek. Amazing. Now you get leather straps here. This is the premium variant, which is really soft to touch, feels really nice. And these are 20mm bands, which we'll talk about further in this video. Now the back has this heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, and the charging terminals up and down, also very well built. And when you pull this buckle design from here, you can release the straps. There you go, very simple. And with this, Amazfit has provided these silicone straps which are going to assist you for workouts. But anyway, just to give you a quick look, these are 20mm bands like I mentioned earlier. Simply put it in here, hold the hook mechanism, and there it'll attach. Actually, they're more orange than red, but that's something you have to decide. It's orangish red. There you go. Overall, the build and design is super eye-catchy and exclusive. The Active 2 comes with 5 ATM water resistance rating, which is something we rarely see in smartwatches anymore. Technically, this is water resistant up to 50 meters for 10 minutes. Just amazing. So now you can wear it in the rain, you can wear it for a workout, and yes, obviously, it's totally safe to be worn for a swim as well. In fact, it also comes with swim tracking on board. Once you're done with your swim, go to the quick settings and drain the water from the watch speaker. This is so cool. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. So as you press this button, the display will wake up, and this is a gorgeous 1.75-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 390 by 450 pixels. It's a really high resolution display, which is why even the smallest text you can see is so clearly visible. Check that out. Color reproduction is really nice, obviously AMOLED, so pitch perfect deep blacks and those vibrant colors. Check that out. Really, really, really nice. Now I know a lot of you want to know about the bezels. So here you can see that the bezels are pretty decent. They're not like ultra slim, but they're still looking really nice on a watch like this. Especially with the stainless steel body, the black bezels actually look really, really cute. Especially this new white watch face looks so classy. Now you can of course tap on the screen and we can change some watch faces that come pre-installed, give you a rough idea. And of course, if you have a black watch face set, there you go. This looks ultimate. I mean, there is nothing going to beat this. It looks so classy. The black bezels just blend in completely and almost disappear. Just so cool. Then we briefly also tested the watch outdoors. Amazfit claims 2000 nits of peak brightness. As you can see, everything is so clearly visible. So you can definitely have a quick look at the time or your notifications outdoors, even under the sun. So let's have a quick look at the interface. As you swipe right, you kind of have a dashboard where the music is playing, the weather, readiness, you can set alarms, sleep, all your workout details, heart rate, everything is available at a quick look right here. Press this button to go back, swipe right and you can see readiness, you can see the activity of the day, steps taken, stand time and your workout, then you have the weather, then you have your beats per minute, then you have your quick workout options which you can add and remove, then you're back to the dashboard and you're back to the home page. Swipe right to access your missed call alerts and daily notifications. Swipe from up to access the quick toggles. You have the battery, sleep mode, bedtime mode, theater mode, time and date. You can control the volume. You can make the watch display into a torch. You can adjust the brightness. And yes, there is also auto brightness feature, which is going to be very handy. It helps save battery. I personally prefer to keep it at manual. Set it as per your preference. Then if you come here, there's torch, Bluetooth, lock, vibration, alarm, water drain feature, connect earphones to the watch. Then you can turn this to red, where the whole interface turns red, which I think also looks really cool. What do you think? That is something which is personal preference. I would rather keep it like this, but it still looks nice, and always on mode can be toggled on and off right from the quick settings, which is always handy. Going back into the settings, you have watch face and time. Then you have Bluetooth, so you can basically turn on the Bluetooth and even connect Bluetooth earphones. All you need to go here and it's searching, and I'm taking my Bluetooth earphones, putting them in pairing mode. There you go. And here you can see OnePlus Nord Buds 3. Click on it and confirm. This is going to be helpful to listen to the music that's saved on the watch. We'll come to that little later. Then you come into display, you have brightness, screen on duration, always on display, something everyone loves. I love it too. You can turn it on, it'll give you a warning, battery life warning. It will drastically reduce your battery, but it doesn't matter, we all love it. And you can also choose the styles available. You can follow the watch face, and once you choose your watch face, now for example, this is the exact always on display that will look all day, and I think it looks so classy. But of course, there are a couple of styles that you can choose from. Here you go. This is also something I know a lot of people love. It's simple, clean. You can just see the time, date and day, everything available at a jiffy. So that's something which is really cool. Always on display, very handy. Then raise the wrist to wake the display, tap to wake, night display. You can change the colors. Oh wow, that's really cool. There's also green, there's also orange, and there's also red. Wow, that's something which I think everyone's going to love, but I right now I'm going to turn it off so that I can show you the interface. Then there has theme styles, then you have sound and vibration, then you have workout detection, notifications, there's also voice assistant, workout accessories that you can connect via Bluetooth, preferences, permission, battery manager, maps. Yes, you can download offline maps on this watch. You're going to first need to go into the Zep Companion app, then come further down to map management, and it will show you this is the map you want, and you click on download. Okay, now when you come here, it will show you map resources are available to download. Do you want to download? And you click yes. This will barely take 3 to 4 minutes or even lesser depending on your internet speed. And then you have offline maps of the whole city right on your watch. There you go. More on how these maps work further in this video. Then you have accessibility and systems where you can reboot, reset the device. Press the top button to come back to the home page. Then press this button on the top to access the menu. You have readiness, heart rate, blood oxygen, one tap measuring, workouts, weather, Zep coach, your workout history, your workout status, your maps, and yes, now you can actually access the maps, which will only work when you're outdoors because right now it's trying to position it. Then there's activity, PAI, stress tracking, sleep tracking. Yes, I've been using this watch for my sleep tracking, and it works really well. It shows you everything, light sleep, deep sleep. I think I should be sleeping longer. 7 hours is okay, but little more would be better. Then of course there's phone calling, then there's membership card, there's music, and there's music that you can control that's playing on the phone, as well as download songs directly on the watch and listen to it. So, and that will play on the watch speaker if you want to. And right now that song is actually playing on the Bluetooth earphones which are connected. There you go, the OnePlus Nord Buds 2, it's actually playing on them. If I disconnect it, there you go. Now the song will play on the speaker. It's really loud and clear. Check that out. Then of course there's alarms, and yes, you can set the alarm directly from the watch itself. No need to access the app. Then there's calendar, there's setting, sun and moon rise time, then there's compass, there's a barometer, there's a menstrual cycle tracker for women, there's a thermometer, there's a stopwatch, there's a timer, find my phone, to-do list, voice memos, Pomodoro timer, heart rate push, HRV, meditation, world clock. I mean, what else are you looking for? This is fully stocked. Also, it's so smooth and so much easy to use. Absolutely love it. Alright, let's check out phone calling. So first we'll go to the menu and we'll scroll all the way down to the phone app, and here you have recent calls, top contacts and dial pad. I'm just going to dial pad and randomly dialing a number. There you can see the phone call is being dialed. Damn, the audio is so loud and so clear, which is so amazing. You can mute the microphone, you can control the volume from here and end the call directly after you're done talking. And similarly, you can also receive incoming calls directly on your smartwatch. Firstly, there's a vibration alert. There's also ringtone which you can turn on. You can see the caller's name. You can silent the incoming call. You can reject the incoming call. You can answer and talk to the other person, which is also super convenient. You can talk directly, and once you're done talking, you can end the call from here. You can also send this call directly to the phone. You can also control the volume, mute the microphone, everything right on your watch. Very, very convenient. Alright, let's quickly talk about the calling experience. Well, the speaker on this watch gets loud enough to be used indoors, and in fact in most cases it's quite audible outdoors as well. Unless you're in a very noisy environment, you might have to get the watch closer to your ear to hear. The other person, however, had no idea I was using the watch to talk to him, which means the mics on the watch do an excellent job in isolating the ambient sound. For sure, the Active 2 is pretty reliable in the phone calling experience. However, I must add that the vibration motor is quite loud and almost disturbing if you're in a quiet room. I wish there was a way to reduce the vibration, but you can only set it to standard or you can increase it. So I had to turn it off from the settings. It's not a deal breaker in any way, but this is my personal experience which I had to share. Alright, let's talk about the fit and comfort. So first we'll talk about the leather strap. Now I have pretty thin wrist and I can tell you it's not big or bulky. It's just perfect. In fact, I could say the watch is unisex and both men and women can wear it. It's really light and soft and provides an excellent grip on your wrist all day. The stainless steel frame and the leather strap gives the watch a really timeless look. Absolutely love it. Then here's where the silicone straps comes with the buckle loop design, perfect when you want to keep it casual over the weekend or while working out. Very comfortable and stylish, I would say. Coming to health tracking. So we get heart rate tracking and so much more, but the standout health tracking feature for me is one tap measurement. It runs a series of tests for about 45 seconds and provides you 4 health parameter readings in one go: heart rate, stress tracking, SpO2 and breathing rate. This is so convenient. However, I always say this, use these health parameter readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to fitness and workouts. So the Active 2 comes with over 160 plus workout modes. And to quickly access it, press this button at the bottom here. You'll access workouts. You'll have outdoor running, walking, free training, high rocks race. Then you have treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling. Yes, we also get pool swimming, track run, climbing, elliptical, row machine, yoga, jumping rope, tennis, oh my god. Then there are more workouts, and here you have 8 running and walking workouts, 11 cycling workouts, you have 4 swimming workouts: pool swimming, open water swimming, fin swimming and artistic swimming, which is really handy. Then of course you have outdoor workouts 11, high rocks, you have more outdoor workouts, you have dance workouts, you have combat workouts, you have ball workouts, water workouts, winter sports, leisure workouts, board and card and others. Huge list of workout options available here. The Active 2 comes with built-in GPS and offline map support. We used the watch for a quick outdoor workout. Firstly, it got a fix on the GPS in just a couple of seconds. Plus now, you see the live map of your location during your activity. If you're going on a trek, you won't get lost. You'll actually have the exact path you walked like a trail with you all the time. It's going to be very handy. Now after you finished your workout, you can see all your workout parameters in so much detail, right on the watch itself. The Amazfit Active 2 is perfectly designed for a true fitness enthusiast. Coming to the battery. So the Active 2 comes with a 260 mAh battery, and Amazfit claims it will last you for about 10 days. But at best, it lasted me for about 4 to 5 days, and that's with GPS and always on mode turned on, which I think is pretty impressive. It takes less than 2 hours to fully charge, which I think is quite good. I wish it had a bigger battery, then this watch won't be this sleek, so compact and so light. So I won't complain. Let's have a quick look at the Zep Companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see your health and workout related data. You have your sleep data, readiness, exercise, and coming down below, you have your core metrics, physical recovery, mental recovery, heart rate vulnerability, sleep duration. Everything is available here in detail. Your heart rate, steps taken, calories burnt, stress levels, PI, everything that you need is here. And if you want more detail, you can go into readiness and find more detail. Same with sleep tracking. You have all the details right here. Coming to workout, here you have your Zep coach. You can use this for your workouts and it's really, really helpful. Then you have devices. We have the Active 2 paired, and if you go right on the top here, you can see the battery percentage. Then you have watch faces that you can download from here. There's some really cool ones. Check that out. There are in fact even animated ones. Wow, I think this one will look cool. Let's quickly sync this. And there you go, that watch face is set. Similarly, there are so many more watch faces that you can download from here. I think they look really, really nice. Make your pick. Coming back, there's also an app store. And from here you can download some of these apps, which I think is really nice. They're going to be really helpful. There is so much to explore here. It's truly a smartwatch where you have an app store for so many apps that you can download on your watch. Then you have health monitoring, auto heart rate monitoring, active heart rate monitoring, shows you your sleep monitoring. Then you have notifications and reminders. In notifications, you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then you have apps list, you have shortcut cards, then device and application settings, training, phone calling. You can save music from here, weather app, alarm, calendar, to-do list, world clock, voice memos, map management, and more. Find device. In general, you have system updates, you have more metrics. It's really, really cool. Overall, the Zep app is really helpful and easy to use. All right, final thoughts. Well, one thing I can assure you, you buy an Amazfit watch and it won't disappoint. The Active 2 sails in the same boat. It has all the top of the line features, excellent build quality and design. It's compact, it's light and very premium. For those looking for a no-nonsense, truly reliable smartwatch, the Active 2 Round or even the Square, both are recommended. The Round is available for $9,999, but that's for the silicone strap only, while the Square with the leather and silicone strap is available for $12,999. I'll share the links of both these watches with all its color options below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.